Let's combine the eliminations.
Okay, great.
What you say your body, say when I'm the Kotoku as a man, what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm very happy, really happy to get such a job. You know, Kotoku is a very good family, big one. The fans are lovely, so I'm very happy to get such a job.
As a coach, what are two old players? Would want to first, second, training. Oh,
I think they've learned a lot. You can see that the vision is there, the passion is there, they have the talent. So we just need to work on one or two tactical issues and get them ready for the Premier League. And I think they are ready.
Okay, ready. New players now, what's signing on performance?
They are very good. I think those are the departments we really need to strengthen in our team. So they have brought in some new thing to the team, which has made the team look a little bit stronger. Yeah.
GFA Division 1 is Super Cup. Now the money bono, now we team no percent.
Oh, for us it was a friendly match because I just took the team over and I have over 30 players. So I need games to see which of the players are capable of playing the Premier League. So as you saw, I gave all the players possibilities to play. And for me, I was very happy with their performance and I was able to assess the players really well from those games.
For now, Yami Aduma Sunday, then you share Bet Power Premier League. The team Kotoku is company ready.
We are ready. We are ever ready. We've been training and camping for the past 6 weeks together. So we've done a lot. We've worked on our weak points, and now we are ready. We are really ready. Fully ready for them.
Okay. As a manager, what is Kotoku and more on the usual grounds? I'm a football sports stadium. As a manager, what are you saying?
Oh, well, I know it's always a disadvantage. It's a ball or outsider. It's not so promising, but at the end of the day, that's what we have now. So we've really spoke to the guys, cycled them, and made sure that they are ready for the challenge.
But coach, said this season you have started better Ghana Premier League. What target for this season?
Well, with the players, we want to be in the top 6.
Top 6.
Yeah, top 6. So we've been working so hard for that, and that's our target. So we really want to achieve it at the end of the season.
Okay. New players, new old players.
I think it's all about discipline. Just make the discipline or the rules in the team very straightforward. You know that this is your job. If you are new for that, this is your job. A striker, this is your